If you think products are breaking faster because companies are getting worse at building things, you've already fallen for the lie. It's not incompetence, it's economics. And once you see it, you'll notice it everywhere. Imagine living in a world where everything you buy slowly stops lasting. Your washing machine dies after 3 years. Your phone battery collapses after 2. Your TV mysteriously fails right after the warranty expires. Meanwhile, your grandparents still own appliances from 1987 that run like they were built yesterday. Even repair technicians are confused because modern technology is supposed to be better, yet somehow it keeps dying faster. Companies usually explain this with one simple answer. Technology evolves quickly. New models come out every year, and parts simply wear out. Sounds reasonable? But here's the problem. Manufacturers have known for decades how to build products that last 20 to 30 years. They already solved that problem a long time ago. So why did everything suddenly become disposable? Because here's the part they rarely tell you. The real answer is something economists call planned obsolescence. Instead of building products that last forever, companies design them to fail. Sometimes it's weak components. Sometimes it's batteries glued inside devices. Sometimes it's software updates that slow older models. But the goal is always the same. Make sure you eventually have to buy another one. It's like selling umbrellas that slowly dissolve when it rains. Brilliant for business, terrible for everyone else. But the craziest part is how this strategy actually started. In the 1920s, light bulb manufacturers faced a strange problem. Their bulbs lasted too long. People simply stopped buying new ones. So the biggest companies secretly agreed to reduce bulb lifespans to about 1,000 hours. Suddenly, sales exploded again. And the strategy worked so well, it spread to almost every industry. Phones, cars, printers, home appliances. Over time, durability stopped being profitable, and replacement became the real business model. Greed, shorter lifespan, repeat purchases. This is the moment the modern economy quietly changed. Companies realized something powerful. A product that lasts forever sells once, but a product that breaks regularly sells forever. And from that moment on, durability stopped being the goal. Consumption did.